I got a new package for that big project. I got two of them, actually. First one. Okay, hang on. Give me some. Okay, I got it open. Let's see what it is. What is it? Is this? Oh shoot! This is my my ESC. If you haven't already guessed, building an airplane. Oh, okay. Second one. I think I know what this one is. Then, gotta open up the box. There we go. Oh, okay, a box. I found scissors. Okay. Scissors. I think this is all the electronics. Now, I did get a new transmitter, but it got delayed till Wednesday, which is poopy, because it also has my receiver. Come on. There we go. Oh man, there's more tape. Hang on, let me figure this out. I hope I can't. I'm not showing my face. Because otherwise I'll have to blur it. And that's stinky. Ignore the background noise. It's just, I just got home from school. How does this box work? Oh, hang on. Hold up. I think it's the latch system. Oh boy. There we go. I think we got it. There we go. Oh, yep, this is all the parts. Oh, that's okay. We have these for some reason. I'm gonna go back. These, let's see. Bubble wrap, yeah. Okay. So we have propellers and spacers in there. We have the brushless motor, along with the connector parts, I think. We have servos and all sorts of thingamajigs that'll help me build the plane. And I don't know what this is, but I assume it has to do something with the connector. So on top of everything, the ESC.